Making animated graphs can be really tricky sometimes, but if you make them right, they can make a big difference to the presentation. Now, we can do some funny animated viral graphs for our social media or more serious business-related ones. But guess what? You can all do them in CapCut. Let me show you the one with rising money chart. Drag the background to the timeline and stretch it to around 10-second mark. You can download this background graphic from the link in the description. Then go to stock material and drag down the black clip. Go to the end of the clip and copy and paste it. Delete the small part at the end. Highlight the both clip and create a compound clip. Then go to blend and decrease the opacity to 60%. Go to the text, add the text and write dashes a couple of times. Set character to -4 and uncheck uniform scale. Then set the scale height to 70, scroll down, click on glow, choose the right one and set the range to 100 and intensity to 40. Extend the text to the end of the clip. Now rotate it and drag it to the left side. Duplicate the line. Rotate it. Decrease the scale width to make it smaller. And join it with the first line. Repeat the same process till you get this graph through the whole screen. When you're done, highlight all the lines and create a compound clip. Then go to Video, Mask, choose Horizontal and rotate the mask to -90 degrees and set the feather to 5. Drag the mask to the first peak and click keyframe on the mask. Move half of a second forward, which is 15 frames, and drag the mask to this first down point. Move again 15 frames and drag the mask to the second peak. Continue to do that on every 15 frames till you reach the end of the screen. When you're done, go to the beginning, add text and write just dot. Increase it, scroll down, click on glow, choose the right one and set it to your likings. Extend it to the end and create a compound clip. Go to Video, Basic, drag the point to this first peak and click keyframe on Transform. Click on Lower Compound Clip, move playhead to this second keyframe, highlight the dot and drag it to the first down point. Again, highlight the lower compound clip, move playhead to this third keyframe, mark dot again and drag it to the second peak. Continue to do that till you reach the end of the screen with this dot point. Then move your playhead to the beginning, highlight the black clip, go up to Mask and choose Circle. Click on Reverse icon, set the feather to 5, make the circle smaller and add the feather, let's say 30. Then move the mask in the exact center of our dot and click keyframe on Mask. Highlight the lines compound clip so we see where is our second keyframe, move playhead there, click the black clip and move the mask to the center of our dot, which is now at the first down point. Again, repeat the process of moving the mask for every keyframe till the end of the clip. To spice it even more, we can add rising columns to every peak of our chart. So move to the start and add the text. Write capital I, uncheck uniform scale, and increase the width like this. Move it underneath our second peak and extend it to the end. Go to the right side, drag the opacity all the way down to 15 and then pull it down and place it under the black clip. Right click and create a compound clip. Move your playhead to the beginning, go to the video, mask and choose horizontal. Pull it down and rotate it so you don't see the column. Click keyframe on mask, move playhead to the second peak and pull the mask up so you reveal the whole column. Then duplicate the same column, right click and undo compound clip. Go to the right side, increase the height and move it to the right so it is placed under the third peak. Move your playhead to the beginning, right click and create a compound clip. Go up to video and mask again, choose horizontal, rotate it to -180 degrees, pull it down so you don't see the columns and click keyframe on the mask. Move playhead to the third peak, pull mask up and keyframe will be created automatically. If you want, you can create more columns for every chart peak. And when you're done, you should get something like this. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to hit that like button and see you in the next one.